Before you begin working in Level 1, Chapter 2 of your textbook, let's look at the way Microsoft Word is organized. One of the things I really like about the way Word is organized is that it mirrors an office setting. For instance, when we look at our computer monitor before we have any software open, we call the screen that we see the desktop. Just like a desk in an office or your home, it has useful items on it. Imagine that you are sitting at a desk and have a new blank piece of paper in front of you. Now open up Microsoft Word, and you can see that that is exactly what this represents in Word. You can see that the largest space on the screen is white, surrounded by gray, and that is your page in Word, just like a piece of paper, with the rest of your desk showing around it. At the top of your page, Microsoft will display the title. Your document title is in the center. This is important to pay attention to because if you have more than one document open, it is easy to find yourself typing in the wrong one. That's why it's also important to begin practicing good habits of saving your documents with explanatory names and saving them into well-organized files. We call this file management. Right below your title, there's an area with words across the top. These words or tabs are like the tabs on a file folder. Okay? Think about a file folder for a moment. If you have a drawer full of file folders, you will label them so that you can quickly find them. Now think about what you put in a file folder. If you are storing information about customers, you will have a separate folder for each customer. Okay? If you store information about customer Smith in the folder for customer Jones, you will waste a lot of time looking for your information. Word is just the same. Each tab in Word stores commands which are related to a particular topic or theme. For instance, on the Home tab, the commands are those which are frequently needed by most users. On the Design tab, the commands add themes and color schemes and can complete document formatting quickly and easily. Microsoft is very good about being consistent, and you will find this same way of organizing in their other software such as Excel and Access. Let's look at the next area at the top of your screen. When you have clicked on a tab, you will find a strip across the top with commands arranged in related groups. This blue shaded area, which stretches across the entire top of the screen, is the ribbon. I think this may be named after a typewriter ribbon, but I'm not sure. It just seems like a way that Microsoft would have related this older technology the same way it did with pages and tabs. So on the Home tab, these related groups across the ribbon are clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing, and there's a vertical line separating one group from the next. In each group are small icons or pictures representing commands. You will see that Microsoft also uses these commands to mirror what you might have on your desk in an office. For instance, the cut command is represented by a pair of scissors. The bold command is shown in heavy, dark, or bold type. Underline is shown as a U with a line under it. Look at the second group on the Home tab, the font group. Notice that in the lower right-hand corner of the group, there is a little arrow pointing diagonally down and to the right. When you click on that arrow, you activate the dialog box launcher. You can see a box open now, and it gives you the name font at the top. It gives you another way to make changes to your document's font. Microsoft tends to give you more than one way to complete a command. One way to make font changes is to click in the appropriate place on the ribbon. Another way is in the font dialog box launcher. And in this chapter, you will learn another way to complete a command, and that is to use your keyboard. Don't forget that at the end of each chapter in your textbook, you will find a table displaying different ways to complete your command. We will continue to look at the way Word is organized as we move throughout the semester.